Society is result oriented. Whatever you do, whatever number of attempts you are putting to achieve it, you have to reach to your destination point. You have to show the outcome, the ultimate result. That simply means complete your task. Hello friends, I am CA Vrinda Vakharia, student by nature, CA by profession and your guide, your mentor by passion. So my today's topic is complete your task. It simply means whatever work, whatever task you have started from any field at any time relating to any kind of work, please complete it with the full dedication. If ultimately you can't reach to your destination point, there is no meaning of traveling round and round. Likewise, if you don't complete your work till it results into some final object or some lesson or some final result, your all efforts till the time will become valueless. Believe me, friends, there will be no value of your efforts in the eyes of society, in the eyes of people around you. Because who understands better than you as a CA student, right? Once you become a chartered accountant, your number of attempts are of no value. Ultimately, you are CA. You are the chartered accountant. But if you drop your study in between, even your single attempt will not considered. Your all the efforts, your all the hard work will be in water because no value of it, because you haven't reached to your final destination. You haven't yet become a chartered accountant. If you are on a target to lose the weight, of course you have to do exercise, you have to be on food diet, proper diet, and until and unless you don't show the result, you don't look slim or thin than before, no one will be interested in your story, in your exercise, in your diet history. So result is important. So here maybe your question is, what if I don't want to continue, or what if I don't enjoy to continuing this work, then what should I do? Then my answer will be, well, if it's really a long term goal like chasing your career, then of course you have an option. You try on one thing. If you really don't enjoy it, if you really don't like what you are in today, then quit it. Don't waste even one more day on it, and start exploring some new work which you will enjoy. But if it's really a short term task, then please stuck to it and complete it, even if you don't enjoy, because at the end, even if you don't enjoy it, you will definitely learn something from it, like reading a book, started a painting, working on some specific project at your job. Even if you don't like it, just complete it. Try to complete it within time, and of course with full dedication, even if you don't enjoy. Because even if you don't enjoy your work during that time, you will definitely learn something new. It will definitely helpful to you in your next attempt, in your next painting, in your next project. So make a habit to complete your task what you have already started. Like if you are studying, complete your degree, try to complete it, don't quit it in between, and try to complete it with a good scorecard. If you are working at office doing job, try to complete your delegated work within time, and that's also very important. If you are entrepreneur, then please try to fulfill your words towards your coordinates, your employees. This will establish an environment of trust on you, and this will definitely teach you a lot, and also others will also learn a lot from you. So never ever quit or drop your work from in between. Try to at least complete your work. Either you enjoy it or else you will learn from it.